front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit next to Delete and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!